कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. आलू छील दो. Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. संतरा छील दो. Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. बिस्तर लगा दो. Make the bed or prepare the bed. Make the bed or prepare the bed. नल खोल दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. चादर बिछा दो. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. मुझ पर सहारा मत लो. Do not lean against me. Do not lean against me. समय की नज़ाकत को समझो. Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take time. Let him take time. रोटियां बेल लो. Roll the chapatis. Roll the chapatis. आटा गूंथ लो. Knead the flour. Knead the flour. रोटियां सेक लो. Bake the chapatis. Bake the chapatis. अंधेरा हो गया है. It's got dark. It's becoming dark. It's got dark. Yeah, it's becoming dark. मुझे नहाने दो. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. मैं देहरादून से आ रहा हूँ. I'm coming from देहरादून. I'm coming from देहरादून. वे पार्क से आए. They came from park. They came from park. मैं कल से काम करूँगा. I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. मैंने ये राम से सुना. I heard it from Ram. I heard it from Ram. हम उत्तराखंड से हैं. We are from उत्तराखंड. We are from उत्तराखंड. वो दुकान से ये खरीद रहा है. He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. मैंने मोबाइल को बिस्तर से उठाया. I picked the mobile off the bed. I picked the mobile off the bed. बंदर पेड़ से कूदा. Monkey jumped off the tree. Monkey jumped off the tree. टेबल से कप हटा दो. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. पत्ते पेड़ से गिर रहे हैं. Leaves are falling off the tree. Leaves are falling off the tree. वो बस से उतर रहा है. He is getting off the bus. He is getting off the bus. राम 4 बजे से घूम रहा है. Ram has been walking since 4. Ram has been walking since 4. मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ. I have been playing since morning. I have been playing since morning. नेहा दोपहर से रो रही है. Neha has been weeping since noon. Neha has been weeping since noon. मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. मम्मी 5 बजे से घर पर है. Mom is at home since 5 o'clock. Mom is at home since 5 o'clock. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. वो कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है. He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया. I did it for you. I did it for you. वो मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया. He came to me for money. He came to me for money. मैंने 500 रुपये में मोबाइल दिया. I gave a mobile for rupees 500. I gave a mobile for rupees 500. राम 2 घंटे से घूम रहा है. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. मैं काफी देर से खेल रहा हूँ. I have been playing for a long. I have been playing for a long. वो 10 मिनट से यहाँ थी. He had been here for 10 minutes. She had been here for 10 minutes. नेहा 2 दिन से कह रही है. नेहा has been saying for 2 days. नेहा has been saying for 2 days. मैं कई दिनों से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying for many days. I have been studying for many days. मम्मी कुछ देर से घर पर है. Mom is at home for a while. Mom is at home for a while. मैं पढ़ाई के लिए दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. Going to Delhi for study. I'm going to Delhi for study. वो पैसों के लिए यहाँ आया. He came here for money. He came here for money. उस लड़के ने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया. That boy did it for you. That boy did it for you. मैं जनवरी में पैदा हुआ था. I was born in January. I was born in January. वो 2015 में घर आएगा. He will come home in 2015. He will come home in 2015. मैंने जून 2009 में कंपनी छोड़ी. I left the company in June 2009. I left the company in June 2009. मैं आधे घंटे में निकलूंगा. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ. I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. वो अमेरिका में पढ़ाई करेगा. We will study in America. We will study in America. हमने ये किताब में पढ़ा है. We have read it in the book. We have read it in the book. अयंस आधे घंटे में निकलेगा. अयंस will leave in half an hour. अयंस will leave in half an hour. मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. मैंने कंप्यूटर में ये फोटो देखी. I saw this photograph in computer. I saw this photograph in computer. ये गाना तुम्हारे मोबाइल में है. This song is there in your mobile. This song is there in your mobile. कॉफी को कप में डालो. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. वो कमरे में जा रहा है. He is going into the room. He is going into the room. यह ट्रेन समय से पहले पहुंचेंगी। दिस ट्रेन विल रीच बिफोर टाइम। दिस ट्रेन विल रीच बिफोर टाइम। अब मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ। नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग बिफोर यू। नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग बिफोर यू। वो अपने पापा के सामने बैठा था। He was sitting before his dad. He was sitting before his dad. वो मेरे सामने खड़ा था। He was standing in front of me. He was standing in front of me. वो मेरे सामने टिक नहीं सकता। He can't stand in front of me. He can't stand in front of me. मैं तुमसे 10 बजे के बाद मिलूंगा। I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा। I reached after them. I reached after them. ट्रेन समय के बाद पहुंचेंगी। The train will reach after time. The train will reach after time. वो राहुल से 10 बजे के बाद मिला। He met Rahul after 10. He met Rahul after 10. पुलिस चोर के पीछे पड़ी हुई है। The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. मुझे किसी के द्वारा रोका गया। I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. उसे अपने पापा के द्वारा भेजा जा सकता है। He can be sent by his father. He can be sent by his father. मैंने बस से यात्रा की। I traveled by bus. I traveled by bus. वो दोपहर की फ्लाइट से आ रहा है। He is coming by noon flight. He is coming by noon flight. हम सुबह तक ये खत्म कर देंगे। We will finish it by morning. We will finish it by morning. हमें मैनेजर के द्वारा सूचित किया गया। We were informed by the manager. We were informed by the manager. उसे मम्मी के द्वारा डांटा गया। He was scolded by mom. He was scolded by mom. मैं बाइक से जिम जा रहा था। I was going to gym by bike. I was going to gym by bike. मैं शाम 7 बजे तक जिम जाता हूँ। I go to gym by 7 p.m. I go to gym by 7 p.m.